I'm stripping down this 2-slice toaster. I'm first of all taking the knobs off the side. That's the only way I can get the top off. There are also 4 screws underneath that I've already taken out. It is the mechanism of different makes. You might have to use a bit of brute force, using a large screwdriver or something just to prise it out. There, I've done that, and now I'm just that's on one side, not the middle one. There's the PCB and the that most of this is. So this is a basic schematic of the toaster that I took apart. Now these are the heaters that will make the toast. This is a mains input. Here's the mains cable, the control unit here, and the solenoid here. These scribbles I've done is basically where the wires went before I cut them, going down there, etc. Now what I have found is that you have a little button here. You press that, it releases the solenoid and the toast pops up. You have a control here, and that control simply means that you can turn it, and as soon as the toast is ready it will pop up. However, I have found that there's no sensor here at all. So if you set this part here too high, it simply sets it as a timer, and the timer then tends to go off. I haven't checked to see how long it goes off for, but it's probably between 30 seconds and 5 minutes. The problem is that if that goes wrong, or if somebody has adjusted it in such a way for it to continue to toast, there's a good chance that the bread will burn and cause possible fire hazard. And I can't see anywhere here, or here, or here, or here, where there's a thermal cutout. There's nothing there at all to indicate that it will shut down if there was a serious issue. So that is what I need to investigate further, and I'll be doing that next in my communication to you.